For repairing pilings quickly and inexpensively, SnapJacket is the best solution. It's the toughest and longest lasting option to preserve, repair, and protect rotted marine pilings. Even on a small project, SnapJacket saves you thousands on both labor and materials. SnapJacket is installed around your existing pilings, which means you don't have to remove and dispose of the old pilings, buy and install new pilings, and rebuild your entire structure. SnapJacket is a vinyl sleeve that surrounds and encloses the existing piling. The void between the SnapJacket sleeve and the piling is then completely filled with concrete, creating a new solid piling that is stronger than the original. SnapJacket is available in 10, 12, 14, and 16-inch diameters. It will fit around most marine piles. The ultra-durable, UV-protected SnapJacket comes with a 25-year warranty. Your repaired pilings should last a lifetime and then some. To learn more about SnapJacket and how to repair your marine pilings, give us a call or visit our website.